Welcome to Greatcity Machinery Company. In the north of China, we are a leader manufacturer of dumpling machine. We are manufacturing different kind of machine here, but next to me, this is a 150 model dumpling machine. Actually, our machine can provide you more than 4,000, from 4,000 to 10,000 pieces an hour, and with a weight from 8 to 10 grams also. This machine is an electric one. It can use 220 volt to 380 volt also, depends on your requirement. And the size of the dumpling depends also on your needs. Actually, it is an electric, so there is a button control over here. The red button controls the turn and on and off of the machine. The black control is for the speed of the staffing and the doff speed also. The machine is very easy to use because there is some simple parts in the machine. The dough sheet will be on the top of this part and the filling in this hopper. Once the machine turns on, the dough will go automatically in that part to connect with the filling, and then the last conveyor will collect the dumpling itself. The size, the machine, it's very easy to use actually, so I hope that this video can help you to understand how the machine will work. Thank you for watching it. Welcome to Greatcity Machinery Company. In the north of China, we have a reputation to be a leader manufacturer of dumpling machine. Next to me, there is one model, the 200 dumpling model machine. It's very easy to use this machine because it can make many kinds of food that you like spring rolls, samosa, ravioli, or also dumpling itself. It's an electric one and depends on the phase that you are requiring as a customer. So it can use 110 volts to 380 volts, and also the size of the samosa or any kind of food that you want to make depends on the requirement that you ask for us. When the machine turns on, it is very easy to use it because there is two hoppers here, one for the dough and one for the filling in the left side. In the electric control, there is a red button which turns on and turns off the machine. The left side, the black button, will control the filling, and the right one will control the dough speed. The last part in the machine that you have to know is when the dough and the filling will connect together, there is the mold down here will form the shape that you want to make. This time we put the samosa, and there will be a conveyor who will receive the samosa, the output. It will be a good looking samosa that you want. Thank you for watching for this video, and I hope that you will understand how to use this machine.